Hi everyone, this is your Mommy Sha. So today I'm gonna tour you around our new house, and this is Island Oasis. So I'll show you around and welcome to my new house. Okay, so this is the hallway. That's the end to another end. Yep. And somewhere over there is the main entrance. Now, this is my door at makikita ninyo dito. The door itself pa lang, there's a peephole, so for security, no? And also the kind of wood that they use and the quality of the material. It's really very good. It secures and it's kind of it's not audible. Once you're inside, it's not audible to hear the noise from outside. So ito, maganda yung pagkakagawa. So now we are entering our house. Sensya na, medyo cluttered pa. So ayan, yun yung furniture nila. Pero pinalitan ko yung chair kasi I don't like their dining chair. So ito, ano lang siya, we have here the open kitchen. So I'll put all, these are the things. They are their furniture. So upon entering, you will see immediately the dining table. And then there you go. Pinalitan ko din yung curtain. Tapos sa kanila na din tong portrait na to. But the other one is mine. This is mine from the old house. Tapos yan, lamp. The corner lamp, it's from them. The tables in the corners are theirs. The TV stands are theirs. Of course, the sofa, the couches are from them. Then I put my own carpet. And this one is mine to add up. So, ayan. So, nilagyan ko ng medyo highlight. This is my chair and my keyboard. So, ayan. Kasi that's my space to work. Sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, I'm sitting there. I prefer to sit on my couch where I'm so relaxed. So, ayan. Yung AC nila is 1.5 at malamig. Malamig siya. So, kahit isa lang yung AC dito sa sala, malamig. So, now I'm gonna show you the kitchen. That corner over there is the way to the rooms. So, ito yung kitchen. Diba maganda? Ayan. Ito. This is a 2 BHK unit. And, yung ibang gamit dito ay sa kanila. But the small things are mine. Yes, ito yung upuan nila. The chair, the dining chair. Yan. So, kompleto na meron silang ref. And ito yung toilet. So, pagpasok mo, it's an open kitchen. Pagpasok mo to the dining, on your right is your kitchen. It's open kitchen. I prefer open kitchen. Meron naman siyang exhaust. Yun lang, once na magluto ka ng fish, umaamoy talaga. Ayan, ito naman yung hall. So, ang pinili ko kasi medium size. Actually, I wanted the large one. Kasi ito, at least, meron itong medium, meron pantry. Pero they have different units in a medium scale, pero wala namang pantry. So, ito. Yan yung room. 1, 2, and ito din yung bathroom. Okay, maganda yung bathroom. And this is my terrace. And there, I put my dog. Where he's like, she's like an old lady watching from the terracing. Look. Yes. Yes. Okay. This is my little bit garden. I'm not done yet, but I'm gonna put some kind of stuff like plants and all. So that's the place of my doggy.